Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Kubernetes tools for managing VPS clusters, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type kubernetes.io and hit enter. Once on the Kubernetes website, navigate to the Docs section. Look for the Install Tools guide within the documentation. Click on the Install Tools link to view the available installation options. You will find multiple tools listed for various operating systems. Choose the tool that matches your operating system, such as Windows, macOS, or Linux. For Windows users, consider using Chocolatey as a package manager. Open the command prompt with administrative privileges. Type the command choco install Kubernetes CLI and press enter. Wait for the installation process to complete. For macOS users, the Homebrew Package Manager is recommended. Open the terminal application. Enter the command brew install kuberctl and press enter. Monitor the terminal until the installation is finished. For Linux users, check if your distribution has native package support. On Ubuntu, you can type sudo apt-get install kuberctl in the terminal. Press enter and provide your password if prompted. Follow the prompts to complete the installation. Next, verify the installation for all operating systems. In your command line interface, type kuberctl version and press enter. The version details should appear. Now, let's move on to downloading additional Kubernetes tools. For cluster management, download Kubeam, which facilitates cluster setup. Return to the Kubernetes documentation and find the installation instructions for Kubeam. Follow the steps provided for your specific operating system. Lastly, consider using kuberctl, the command line tool for Kubernetes. With these installations complete, you're now equipped to manage your VPS clusters. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.